Good morning, students. Now, today your topic is the type of mode of nutrition. There are three modes of nutrition, that is saprotrophic mode of nutrition, parasitic mode of nutrition, and holozoic mode of nutrition. Already we have understood the meaning of nutrition. Now, saprotrophic mode of nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which organisms takes their food from dead and decaying plants or animals' body. In this mode of nutrition, organism secretes enzymes outside the body where it finds the organic matter. Now it secretes the enzyme to digest the organic matter, and then that digested food is absorbed by the organism. And in this organisms are bacteria and fungi. Now, parasitic mode of nutrition. Parasitic mode of nutrition is the nutrition in which organism takes its food from other animals. As for example, head louse or body louse live on other animals, and the other animals on which it lives, that is the host. Now the organism which takes food, that is called the parasites. Now parasites takes the food from its host, and then it digests the food, and the food is utilized by its body parts to develop and grow. In this parasitic mode of nutrition, head louse, body louse, and tapeworm comes. Now, holozoic mode of nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which organism takes its food in the solid state as well as in liquid state. In this nutrition, amoeba and human beings comes. Both organisms take food in solid state as well as in liquid state. Now this is the holozoic mode of nutrition. Now we have to read the nutrition of humans in detail. Now nutrition of human body में nutrition means what? क्या? डाइजेशन. तो डाइजेशन में हम लोग फूड डाइजेस्ट होता है, उसके बाद डाइजेशन मीन्स क्या होता है, दैट इज ब्रेकिंग ऑफ फूड, और उसके बाद फूड डाइजेस्टेड फूड का एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है, फिर जो एब्जॉर्ब फूड है उनका यूटिलाइजेशन होता है, जिससे हमारे डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स ग्रो करते हैं, डेवलप करते हैं, और इस तरह से हमारा बॉडी ग्रो करता है, जिससे इस होल प्रोसेस को हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं, है ना. न्यूट्रिशन इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ इंटेकिंग फूड, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फूड to grow the different parts of body. Now at first we see the digestion. Here taking food takes place in 5 process, that is, if we take food, it has to digest, it has to absorb, it has to assimilate. So now there are 5 process, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. At first we say the ingestion. Ingestion is a process of taking in food and eating. Now second, digestion. It is the process in which complex food is broken into simpler food. Now third, absorption. Now digested food is absorbed by the organs villi present in our small intestine, and it is carried by blood. Now assimilation, the digested food that is absorbed, that is utilized by our different body parts to grow or formation of new parts. Now the fifth